In La Rebaldana, Mieres, rises Santa Bárbara Pit, the first mining pit in Spain to be officially listed as a site of cultural interest. Built between 1913 and 1920 by Ulleras de Turón, it was one of the most emblematic mining operations in Asturias, with 2 vertical shafts more than 500 meters deep and 11 levels. It remained in operation for over 80 years until 1995. Located beside the Turón Valley Greenway, the site now preserves its 2 headframes, the powerhouse, workshops and mine entrances, allowing visitors to understand how a mountain mining operation functioned. The vast compressor hall is now home to the Centre for Artistic Interventions, PZSB, a vibrant space showcasing cutting-edge installations by national and international artists, as well as concerts and cultural activities. Come to Santa Bárbara Pit and be amazed by the meeting of mining memory and bold contemporary art.